Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery. That's a 16 by 20 inch canvas that I have pre-primed with Meeden black paint. I'm going to use this regular Floetrol GAC 800 mixture added to Amsterdam black as a pillow. And I don't want to go too overboard, but I want enough. I'm using Pebbio orange as a cell activator with Australian Floetrol and some Purely Pigments Hollyberry added to it. Now I've found colors that I love, so I'm going to take my chances. I'm going to do Sea-Dancer, which is a primary element. I'm a Colourarte affiliate, so there's a 20% off Colourarte coupon code below the video in the description. There's a 10% off Pixel Paint Designs where you can find Australian Floetrol too. Sea-Dancer, I believe that that's a primary element. This is Prussian Violet. I believe that is also a primary element. Now I really liked how the Waterlily looked, but it didn't, until I blew on it to bring it up, it didn't come up. So I'm probably going to use a combination of Waterlily, which is a Prizm pour, and I'm almost out of it, with some Vivid Intense, let's make sure it is, yes, it's Vivid Intense Fuchsia, which I'm also almost out of. And that's a lighter color. It's a very similar but lighter color. So I also have Vivid Intense Ultramarine Blue, and somewhere here, yes, the star of this show, Phthalo Turquoise, another Vivid Intense. Is it enough? No. I'm going to put some African Violet in this time. And hope that I have enough paint. And if I don't have enough paint, I'll just have to do another swipe. So I'll move that out of my way so I have some elbow room. Now I want to combine the orange and the black. And the white. Maybe I should just do the orange first. Maybe I should do a lot of orange and a little bit of the other. I've got gold too. I like combining cell activators. The black and the white are both Amsterdam. And I actually remembered the correct size. I'm going to spread that out so I can get it to go. Where I need it to go. And I think I'm going to tip it down, and then I'm going to go to the messy part and add some color again. This time I might put gold in there because I think the gold would be a nice addition. And I might put jasmine. I'm really thinking the jasmine would be great. And I'm really tempted to go from the center up here, but I think I need to go a different way. Right now, I need to get my spatula clean. Now, what did I say about another color? I said gold. I really want more orange. If I put this in here, I really, really love the orange. I'm going to do the jasmine. I'm having trouble today with my turntable turning. I'm going to put even more Amsterdam black. Because if it helps it flow, that'll be fine. There's the jasmine. Here's the vivid. That's a primary element. This is the fuchsia. I'm not so concerned. I think I'm going to use all orange. Let's see what happens. I want some gold, and I'm going to risk using the Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. It just has Floetrol. It's mixed differently than the other colors. I just want to find out. And Sea-Dancer. Which I don't know why I've been holding back on. I guess I just rediscovered it. And Prussian Violet. And I really want the Waterlily, but I don't have enough to waste. And I don't think I really need it. Let's skip the gold and go straight for the orange. It's not a very good composition so far, but I'm loving the cells. And I see the Decoart Americana 24 karat gold worked quite nicely. And I have an edge catcher someplace handy, don't I? Yes? So I'm going to let things flow in a couple different directions. And maybe we can improve the composition. And if it doesn't seem like it's going to improve the composition enough, then I will add some more paint. So as soon as the paint hits the edge catcher, it creates something of a seal. You gotta kind of run your fingers up a little bit. And I can scrape that paint off. That's looking pretty cool, actually. The first paint isn't moving very much, which is okay with me. It has some beautiful cells in it, but it doesn't do... The jasmine just kicks its... You know. So, let me grab my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. I'm loving that lacing. If I'd left myself a little more room, that would have been better. Put this right back in here. That's kind of interesting. Don't have any paint left on my edge catcher. Wipe that spatula off and think about, do I want to go here? I definitely want to go here. So we'll do a little more black, and maybe we'll do the small spatula and some tipping. Definitely not resisting. And the African violet, that was jasmine again. Prussian violet. And I said the star of the show was something else, but it's definitely the Sea-Dancer. Open sesame. I'm going to put some right up there that I don't even know if I'm going to necessarily hit. Now I need to find the right length spatula, and I think I have it. I'm going from that direction. Yes, that's correct. That's not going to make any difference. I'm going to do two things. I'm going to flow it this way. I'm liking the composition now. Work with what you got. Everything's flowing down though. It'd be okay if I could cover some of this over here. Paint's moving really well. Must be the cell activator. Wow, those are some colors. I'm going to have to hit that with a torch. Where's my orange crush? Because I think I can fake some of this out. I kind of like those scalloped edges there. Where else did I see I wanted to go? Don't ask me why I did that. I hope I don't regret it. Kind of feeling like adding some of the jasmine up there too. I needed a straw without spit, but I'll work with what I've got. For some reason it reminds me of a sea creature. I'm thinking a little bit of the Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. What? It's attached itself to my wall. Not sure I'm done yet. Pretty sure I'm not done yet, actually. Not sure what that's all about, actually. Let me grab a skewer. And nudge that. And maybe what I'm thinking is to just make it look like it's an organic shape by making some protrusions in it, like some kind of coral. I'm going to have to hit it with a torch. So I see there's a couple bubbles. Drop my skewer. Just adding a couple few little elements, like using the gold to unify something. I'm thinking doing things I haven't done before, seeing how they work, and that would be just using the deep 24 karat gold to outline those little, they look like nipples, what can I say? There's no other better description for them than that. I kind of like some gold over here, I don't know why. I think it's got to lead the eye around. That's better. I'm happier now. Am I done? That's the question. I'm not sure I'm done. How much time is left? It doesn't seem like my timer is set. I got 2 minutes. Yay! It's definitely some sort of unknown species for sure. There's a lot of negative space in there. Looks like there's a drop of something. Not sure what all that's about, but I'll add one little spiral. I don't think it's going to hurt anything. Well, you know, when I say one, I mean however many I'm inspired to do in the moment. And whatever else might come. Unexplainable protrusions make for more interesting composition. And I do love all those colors. I think I'm going to steal some more of this. Kind of miss the turquoise, the sea dancer. This is going to blend in tomorrow. I think that might have been a good idea. That's going to make it look like there's some dimension in there. Why don't we just keep going? I'm going to use the Waterlily before we run out of time. That timer's going to go off and you're going to be gone. So I should tell you I have 34 playlists. I want to say thank you to all my patrons, my Patreons, my PayPal donators, and especially the members keeping my channel alive. Thank you so much for being here. I'm glad I added the dots in front of and in back of things because it definitely looks like there's more dimension and I like that about it. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm forgetting everything. My paint pouring recipes below show more. I love you much. I post at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And everything's in the description underneath the video. Should you need it to ask questions are encouraged. And I'm happy to get back to you. I can't shimmer the statue quick enough, I don't think. But I can try. Wow, that's cool. I'm going to have to hit it with a torch. You're probably gone. I see a few bubbles. That's kind of magnificent, actually. And you're still here, which is wonderful. Thank you for being here. I hope you come again. Whatever I've forgotten is everything is available